Aquilifer 4x32 SFP Optic. Fixed 4 times power. Steady sight picture for consistent accuracy. Bright and sharp view in normal daylight. SFP reticle. Simple and easy to use for quick sight acquisition. Adds minimal weight to your firearm. Red-green illuminated duplex reticle provides optimal visibility in any lighting. This budget optic is a perfect addition to any rifle.
What's going on, guys? Today we have the Aquilifer 4x32 LPVO. Pretty dang cool so far. It's got all your windage and elevations and all the stuff with the turrets right here on the top and on the side. This thing is built really tough, and it is shock resistant, water resistant, and the glass on here is very clear. So let me start with the build quality on this thing. This thing feels rugged. It looks rugged. This thing feels like it could survive being thrown at a zombie if that's your last resort. Let's talk about the glass. The glass on this thing is super clear. I looked through it and saw clarity, which is beautiful when it comes to an optic. You want clarity. If you don't have clarity inside of your optics, you got the wrong optic. This has the AOE, the adjustable objective lens, which allows you to focus to get that sharpness that you long for when you're shooting. So we're going to take this out to the range and see what it can do, and hopefully it makes me more accurate, which I'm sure it will, because most optics are pretty awesome, and this is no different. Now, I've used a lot of optics in the past, some very expensive ones, some very cheap ones, some plastic ones, and some ones that I just don't want to mention.
4x32 second focal plane, 4x32 magnification, eye relief 75mm through 100mm, field of view 100 yards, windage 119 MOA, side parallax adjustment, objective diameter 32mm, red and green, illumination, shockproof, waterproof, and fogproof.
Let's make sure we got no hikers anywhere around, which I think we are clear. We're going to hit our steel targets downrange. Let's do it. That's clear. Whew. Yeah, that's super clear. All right, here we go. Let's do some more. Not bad, not bad. The Aquilifer, spot on. I didn't even have to adjust it. It was dead on, straight out the box. You just might want to check it out. Is it worth it for this optic? I'm gonna say yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Drop it like it's Scott. Let me leave you with your word of encouragement for today. This comes out of Psalms 85, verse 2, out of the New International Version. It says, "You forgave the iniquity of your people and covered all their sins." God forgives you, and God will forgive you, and he will cover you of all of your sins. Hey, thanks for watching. Drop it like it's Scott. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the journey. We'll see you guys on the next one.
I feel the danger is rising. I feel it's coming tonight. I hope that you are prepared. I hope that you've come to fight. Don't give up.